That's what coming up with new content ideas often can feel like. So, here is the top 3 methods I use after I've hit my head into the tables a few times to actually remember them. Number 1, YouTube Studios. YouTube actually has a great feature to analyze and get content ideas within YouTube Studios. So if you head into that analytics tab and then you head over to inspiration, then within inspiration, like the first thing you see, that's content ideas based off your previous content and what YouTube knows, has done well, and thinks your audience would like. It's always a guess. Then if you actually go into the search bar at the top, then you can go in and search for a topic, for example, like trading, to discover new content ideas if you want to dabble into a new subject. So number 2, that's Glimpse. And Glimpse, it's not actually a website, it's a browser extension. So it's just here you actually get it. But let's head over to the browser extension. It's a browser extension that goes over Google Trends. So I'm just going to search for trading since me and Mike are doing more videos relating trading stocks, that kind of stuff. So here, you can see it's different. It's very different. And for those of you that ain't familiar with Google Trends, we just pull it up on the side and put up trading. So here you see how different it actually is. So here it has the graph, but here you get like monthly searches, growth over the year. You can do a bunch of different stuff. Seasonality, that's not on there. Trading actually goes down in October. There's probably a smart person that could tell you that. Maybe you should message Mike, definitely not me. And then also it gives you what people actually also search for when they search for trading. When is trading popping up? This is not included in Google Trends at all. You get the map for sure, you get a little bit here, and then you get a map of a bunch of other subjects. You can use as keywords, all that kind of stuff. But when it comes to content ideas, I'm mainly focused up around here on all questions. And I'm just flicking through these and then I'm making sure to actually save them to my Google Drive. And just click here and then it should save automatically. Yes, it does. It's saved. Nice and easy. Number 3, when I'm in virtual meetings, interacting with people posting content, what kind of questions are they actually asking me? What questions are my clients asking me? What questions are my podcast guests asking me? Every question that's relevant to content repurposing and what I do revolving the business that brings in directly income, I'm answering those questions. I'm making videos about those questions. So I make sure when I get those kind of questions, let's hop on a meeting. I'm recording that meeting. There I have my content script. What do people actually want me to delve into details about? And what parts are not as easy to the average person that's not familiar with this? That's all things we overlook if we don't actually take content ideas that's based in real data. So let me know if you have any ideas below. Leave a like, leave a comment. I appreciate you.